I'm going to add in a profile picture, which goes in these 3 blue circles. I'm going to show you how you can resize it so that they fit in those circles also. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to insert an image that I have saved to my desktop. I'm going to use this sunflower. And while it's like this, I'm going to go up into my menu where it says crop image. I'm going to click that arrow and I'm going to choose a circle shape. And then I'm going to use the corner pieces to resize it. And I'm going to drag it over here. And I'm just going to drag these little doohickeys, the markers, until I get it about the size, there we go, of the circle. So now what I'm going to do is I'm going to click that image because the other circles are the same size. And I am going to duplicate it. I'm going to drag one here. I'm going to drag the other one here. And it looks like these are just a little bit bigger. So I'm going to just resize it a bit. So that it fits. There we go. And I'm going to take that one away. And I'm going to duplicate this one and I'm going to move it down here. There we go. So now I have my profile image at the top of my profile page and in the spots where I am going to post a tweet.